All right, welcome. We're going to get you enrolled in the Windows 10 Consumer Extended Security Updates for your Windows 10 computer. How do we do that? There's a couple options. We're going to today walk through the cheapest and easiest option, which is syncing your PC settings. There are other options available, which we'll link down below so you can check those out as well. But again, today we're going to go with the easiest free option. So first thing we're going to have to do on your computer to enroll is look for the settings. From settings, we're going to find the Windows Security and Update option right here on your computer. Once there, hopefully you have the option for the Windows 10 support ends 2025, enroll now. If you don't have that, you might have to check back later on your computer, but once you have that, go ahead and click on enroll now, and that will begin the process of getting your computer enrolled in the extended support and get you a whole other year of updates. Now once that happens, a panel is going to come up with a little more information on what the program is, and from there you're going to hit next, and you're going to need to enter a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you're going to need to create one. This is again so you can take the free option here. So we're going to go ahead and put our email in here so we can do the first half of this. Now we have that entered. You need to verify with a password or a face or a fingerprint. We're going to go ahead and put our password in, verify our account. All right, signing in. Now this is going to take a few here, kind of speed this up a little bit. So now here we are. Add this device to receive extended security updates. And this is going to give you updates until October 13th of 2026. What happens after that is anybody's guess. But right now, we're worried about getting those updates until 2026 on your Windows 10 computer. So once again, make sure everything is good and you're okay with everything you're signing up with. Once you are, you can go ahead and we're going to move forward here and click Add Device to get the next step done. There you go. This device is now get extended security updates through October 13th, 2026. You are good to go. You are done. You are enrolled. Congratulations. Now you can go check for other updates. Keep your computer up to date. Keep it running great. And come visit Special Touch Computer Repair if you have any other questions or needs.